Hey guys, we're back here with the yz250. Got the 18-inch wheel and tire, 110 by 118, IRC VE33, Vulcan Doro. Nice meaty setup. Just got it thrown on here yesterday to try it out. Should help going over rocks and roots. A little bit more cushion. But this is a tire I definitely recommend to everybody. I'm in Pennsylvania. There's a little bit of everything up here, and it basically does it all. Good overall tire. Huge lugs on it. So yeah, we'll see how it runs, see how it feels, see how it performs. Got about 12.5 pounds in the rear, and I think 12 in the front. So we'll see. Thanks. Back here with the final report on the IRC VE33. Rear tire 18-inch. It's not the S model, this is standard VE33. Not super flexible, not a gummy, but it's an enduro tire. Did really well today. I didn't fall once. Lots of mud. It rained for about 5 days, and everything's pretty much washed out everywhere. Took it on rocks, hill climbs, sand, mud, just regular grass too. And there's some roots down here on this little hill climb, but it did pretty good. A little bit of spinning, but the conditions weren't ideal. They were pretty sloppy everywhere we were riding today. So like I said, I put this tire on my bike over and over again. I would definitely recommend the IRC VE33 Vulcan Doro 18-inch wheel on this YZ. Have a 19 as well. I got one on there, and I got 3 spares, and they all have the VE33 on them. So 2 thumbs up for this tire. Front tire as well. It's a VE35F. Yeah. Got it pretty muddy. Definitely a good tire. Out here in Pennsylvania. About 2 hours on it today.